From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with a stuffy nose and dry throat, wondering if the air in your bedroom is really as clean as it should be? I've got a game changer for you, the Air Purifier for Bedroom by DH Life Labs. This king-size air purifier is a top-rated and best-selling product that has been making waves in the market, with thousands of customers swearing by its effectiveness. One of the things that sets it apart is its use of hypochlorous acid, or HOCl, which actively cleans the air in your room, eliminating 99.9% of airborne bacteria, viruses, and mold. You can actually feel the difference in the air. It's fresher and cleaner, with no musty odors or lingering smells. The 360-degree delivery system ensures that the purified air reaches every corner of your room, up to 323 square feet, leaving you with a sense of relief and comfort. Plus, the mist-free technology helps prevent dryness, so you don't have to worry about dry skin, dry throat, or congestion, making it perfect for people who live in dry climates or suffer from allergies. I've noticed a huge difference in my own bedroom. The air feels lighter, and I wake up feeling more refreshed. And I'm not the only one. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its effectiveness and ease of use. Whether you're a smoker, a pet owner, or someone who suffers from allergies, this air purifier is a must-have. It's a simple and effective way to take control of the air in your bedroom and start sleeping better, so why not give it a try? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.